ஹலோ வணக்கம். இன்னைக்கு எங்கள் அம்மா பெங்களூர் பஸ் ஸ்டாண்டில் இருக்கிற சாரீ கலெக்ஷன் காட்ட போகிறாங்க.
ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இன்றைக்கி பெங்களூர் பஸ்வன்குடியில் இருக்கிற சாரீ கலெக்ஷன்ஸை பற்றி காட்ட போகிறேங்க. இந்த சாரியோட ஷாப் பேர் வந்து த ராயல் த்ரெட்ஸ். இது பஸ்வன்குடியில் த கரியப்பா ரோடுக்கு வந்தீங்கன்னா ஐசிஐசி பேங்க் கிடைக்குங்க. அந்த பேங்க் ஆப்போசிட்லேயே த ராயல் த்ரெட்ஸ் இருக்குங்க. இந்த காம்ப்ளெக்ஸோட பேர் வந்து சுதேவ் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ். அப்புறமா ஸ்டென்சில்ஸ் இருக்குது. அது கிளியராக உங்களுக்கு தெரியணுன்னா ஃபோன் நம்பர் ஸ்க்ரீன் மேலே கொடுத்துருக்கேன். உங்களுக்கு காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணி கேட்டிங்கன்னா அவங்க நீட்டாக அட்ரஸ் சொல்லுவாங்க. இல்லைன்னா பிக்கப் பண்ணுறதுக்கு யாருன்னா ஆளும் அனுப்புவாங்கங்க நீங்கள் இருக்கிற இடத்துக்கு. இந்த சாரீஸில் எதுனா பிடிச்சிருந்தா நீங்கள் வாட்ஸ்அப் காலையும் பண்ணலாம். அவங்க வாட்ஸ்அப் கால் பண்ணிங்கன்னா லைவாக காட்டுவாங்க எந்தெந்த சாரீஸ் எப்படி எப்படி இருக்குன்ட்டு. உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா கேஷ் ஆன் டெலிவரியும் இருக்குது, கூகுள் பேவும் இருக்குது. எது வேணாலும் பண்ணிக்கலாங்க. ஆனால் மினிமம் அமௌண்ட் 10,000 மேலே தான் எடுக்கணும். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்படியே அந்த பெல் ஐக்கானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள்.
Hello, Namaste, I'm Akash and welcome to Royal Threads Bangalore Baswantri. It's a wholesale saree store. The minimum billing of this store is 10,000. You have to buy for minimum 10,000 and it's exclusive only for wholesalers, retailers. If you want to resell the saree, if you want to start a business, if you want to think about sarees, you can have a lot of profit in this business. Golden statement, saree business is a very profitable business. Do not miss this opportunity. Come here. You have a lot of support from us. You have hand-holding support from us. I will explain you how you can sell a saree. I will explain you how you can market the saree, how you can purchase the saree, how much profit should you give, how much should you actually explore your place, and how you can actually sell your sarees. A lot of things. How you can start digital marketing, you can start online marketing, you can do online selling, and the best part is suppose the saree is unsold. Suppose the saree is unsold, I will give you exchange facility, which means the risk is mine. Investment is yours, but the risk is mine. Therefore, you have no loss in this business. Let's quickly go through a lot of prices. I have a store here lined up with a lot of varieties, both the sides. Now quickly, let's browse the collections. Randomly, I'm going to pick some collection and show you about it. So if you're liking the collection randomly, definitely do visit the store and can actually explore even more. Look at this. This is the fascinating concept. It's called the Kuppadam silk. Kuppadam silk with checks, and there is a Pochampally border. Pochampally is in trend, and there are a lot of designs concept in this. With colors, in this, we have more than 20-25 combinations in every design here. Then we have Pochampally rainbow, wherein you have Pochampally buttas and there is a rainbow kind of Pochampally going through all of the saree. And then we have this kind of saree, which is the Kuppadam temple, where you have Kuppadam saree with temple, soft cotton, mercerized cotton. It has rich pallu, rich blouse. I'm sure you asked me all the sarees in Kuppadam will have rich pallu and rich blouse. I'm going to roughly show you. This is the pallu of the saree and this is the blouse of the saree. So this is very beautiful, right? And then moving ahead, I have offer sarees where we have Kuppadam offer sarees, where it is 1,200 rupees. Buy one get one free. A lot of offers running through actually. We have around 5 to 10 varieties which are an offer of buy one get one free. This is for clearance in December. Do not miss the opportunity. It's the best time for you to come and start a business, because when you have a very good offer purchase, it's very easy to sell it to your customers and you will get good margin also. So this is one collection. Then we have lot of collections. There are a lot of collections to show in part 1 of the video also. Therefore, you have to follow us. Every 3 days, every 4 days, you're going to see a new video coming up, and you can pass on your comment and feedback in the comment section. I'm sure you will be looking for price details. That is one constraint where I will not be able to help you with prices on the video, because a lot of people who are actually doing business will be disturbed. But definitely, I will give you a price range at which you can sell. This is a very beautiful silver tissue saree. You can sell this at 895 rupees. So definitely your purchase price is going to be a lot more less. So this is beautiful silver in this gold collection. And then we have Kuppadam. A lot of stock in Kuppadam. Equally what Kuppadam is mercerized cotton Kuppadam sarees with a lot of rich pallu. We have small inch. We have also small. Because I showed you the bigger border size is 1 inch of Kuppadam. Then we have small inch, 2 inch Kuppadam. Then we have borderless Kuppadam. A lot of things actually you can explore when you come to my store. And now we have something which is in high demand, that is the Pochampally saree. Let me show you what Pochampally saree is. These are beautiful Pochampally saree. It's a silk concept with Pochampally water print, and it has beautiful pallu. The pallu is going to be rich, Okay, so which is like this, contrast pallu, contrast blouse. It has a rich pallu like this. This is very beautiful. Pochampalli concept. In this we have 50 shades, different combinations, very beautiful, fast moving collection. And this is the beautiful white color, we have green color, we have orange color. There are a lot of colors actually, but in this video I'll show you, it's a fast wrap up video. I'm going to quickly show you all the collections that we have, but I'm not going to actually in detail go through all the collections. There are shorts, there are a lot of YouTube shorts coming in the short section where you can see a lot of 1 minute videos where we give you product detail. So let's move ahead with a lot of other collections. I have soft silk, a lot of beautiful soft silk, Kadiyal silk collections. These Kadiyal silks have very rich pallu. Let me quickly show you the rich pallu of this saree. There are a lot of colors also available. This is the pallu of the saree and it has a very beautiful contrast blouse. And this is the Kadiyal collection. I'm also going to show you the soft silk, a lot of soft silk that we have, and the best part is soft silk are manufactured by us in our own factory. We have our own factory where we manufacture soft silk collection. Therefore, you're going to get beautiful collection at very economy price, a very cheap price. So look at this softy, very beautiful softy with blue colored pallu. This pallu is going to be like this, border is going to be like you see here, and this is the body, and the best part is blouse also going to be very rich, very beautiful, fast moving collection. You must not miss such kind of collection because they are very fast moving. And again, one of my very beautiful linen white. I'll tell you why it's best selling, because of its beautiful print and 9-inch border. Look at this, it's just so beautiful with contrast purple. A lot of collection we have in this store. I'm just randomly showing you. These are the handprint collection that I have. Handprint is something very handloom look of the saree. It takes out the handloom viewpoint of the saree, and it gives you something antique and vintage collection with this 1-inch border that is also very attractive. And then we have a lot of designer sarees with this kind of blouses. There are designer blouses that come with plain sarees. For this, there are a lot of varieties I've showed in some shots. You can check out and come through. We have a lot of offers on soft silk also. This is one soft silk collection with buy one get one. There is this soft silk with buy one get one offer. That means it's just 1,500 rupees with two sarees. 1,500 for two sarees, which means 750 rupees per saree. It's an excellent collection. And look at this, we have a lot of colors also going through. This is the complete chart. We also have some good presentable sarees, alright, in this kind of offer. This is again an offer saree with 750 rupees per saree, which means 1,500 for two. That is the offer. So for one saree, you're getting one more saree free with this kind of blouse. This is the body, this is the border of the saree. Pallu is going to be rich, blouse is going to be contrast. It is an excellent saree, a lot of colors, more than 50 color shades available in this. And then in silvers we have a lot of demand. So I'm going to show you silver with embroidery. This 9-inch border of silver, body with silver weaving viscose border, rich pallu, and this beautiful embroidery running through. It's also very fast moving. And then moving ahead with a lot of collections on both ends. This is complete section. This aspect I have more than say 1,000 to 2,000 sarees of different designs, different colors, different combinations. And then this side I'm going to give you a lot of silver softy. Silver softy is something in trend, and the best part of this, the price of silver softy drops down to 895. It's just 895 rupees. For 895 getting such a saree, it is definitely useful for all the people in Tamil Nadu watching this video. Do not miss to visit my store. I know it's far. You can have a video call, right? That's a good opportunity. You can have a video call. You can appointment with me. Just call me on the board line number, and then we'll fix a video call appointment, and then you will get a video call. We can do transaction online, but preferably come to my store once, because when you come to store, you can see a lot more, right, than a video call, than just this video. This is just a glimpse. I'm just a trailer I'm going to show you in this video. Alright, so this is one kind of collection, and we have a lot of cotton collections. We have Kanjivaram replica collection. All is manufactured in my own factory. That's why you get a very good price also. And then we have a lot of chiffon collections, Georgia collections, we have linen collections, we have Japan satin collection. Japan satin is something, a satin beautiful saree with beautiful jamdani blouse. So this is also in trend. A lot of things that we have out of the box in trend. We have linen sarees, okay, just 395 rupees. I'm sure you'll be wondering on this saree. This is very beautiful. In fact, I took this saree for my mom. It is just so beautiful. I'm just so happy with such a quality at this price. And look at this jute saree. This is also very beautiful jute collection, and with silver border, just at 495. I will show you more. I will show you a beautiful yellow lady. This is a high demand saree. You see all these sarees on Amazon, Flipkart platforms. Yes, I'm sure if you browse through the name Yellow Lady, you will see this saree everywhere online, and the price for this saree is just 250 rupees. Because we are supplying this saree all over India to all over the lot of online platforms as well. So I'm just telling you, you can actually start online business also with me, Flipkart, Amazon, and you can see a lot of other websites like Myntra. You can just start the business. It's just so easy. You have to just click on. You have to come to my store once. Take out little time for me. I'm sure I will give you a lot more interesting collection. Come. Look here, I have a lot more to show you. And the next collection I'm going to show you is the copper collection. Copper is again very beautiful. Copper zari weaving, beautiful bright colors, contrast border, rich pallu, tassels, everything at a very reasonable price. Price is going to be like 1,000 rupees, 1,200 rupees. Depends on the design and the color and the concept of the saree. And then there is this beautiful ikat saree with cotton, soft cotton ikat saree. Again, you know, the best part of this saree is my favorite because of its price and the pallu. The price of the saree is just 499 rupees and the pallu. I'm sure you'll be just so impressed when you see the pallu of the saree. It is this very beautiful pallu of the saree, and the blouse is going to be contrast. This is a very beautiful video. I'm thanking Ma'am Sai Lucky Collection for giving you such a detailed video. She was here the whole day today waiting to give you something good, exclusive, and I'm so happy that for her I got you going to be rewarded. Thank you so much, ma'am. And moving there is a lot more collections here. You can see this is called the Royal Hall. This is called a lot of collections which are below 500 rupees. Yes, below 500 rupees. You can see a lot of collections here. People having their collections. Do not miss this. Come to my store. A lot more in the range of 290, 275, 260 rupees. We have complete room set up for that range. Come quickly, let me quickly some samples out of that collection, that range also, because there is also a lot of identity of our store. So this is one chiffon collection that I have, lightweight chiffon, 1-inch border, contrast blouse, price going to 350 rupees. This is very beautiful. And then we have a beautiful carnival collection. Carnival collection is something in high demand because it has a Kashmiri kind of concept of panel border. Then you have kind of brasso look all over the saree, which has pastel colors. Fabric is easy to wear, rough use. We have brasso sarees, we have chiffon sarees, plain sarees, we have raw silk sarees, we have georgette sarees, we have linen sarees, we have a lot of things. In fact, I can hardly remember fabric that we do not have in our store. This is beautiful chiffon saree with the paneling of border and the rich blouse concept. So a lot of things I can show you on this video. But I would love to show you everything on this video, but I'm sorry I'm not able to share everything. For that you have to come to my store. Thank you so much. I am Akash signing off. Rolls Royce Bangalore, Baswantri.